Number one, you're going to determine the scale factor of the dilation and classify what type of dilation it is. All right, just look at A. Okay, again, we are going from the original, which is, let's say, H, all the way to the H prime. So this is going to be the old, and this is going to be the new. The idea of the scale factor, which is K, is going to be always new divided by the old value. So let's just pick a length here. Let's pick the one that's easy to count. Let's do IG. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the old. And the new is 1, 2. 2. So the scale factor, 2 over 4, simplifies to 1/2. So we can say that K is equal to 1/2. The fact that the K here is between 0 and 1, this is a dilation of it gets smaller, so it is a reduction. Okay, it gets smaller from the old to the new. All right, the next one, this is the new right here because it's H prime and I prime, and this is the old. K is defined as new over old. Let's just do some counting. Oh, 1 is the old, and the new 1, 2, 3, 4 is 4. Oh, so the K here is 4. The fact that K is greater than 1, this is a enlargement. Okay, gets bigger. And C, let's take a look here. It's hard to see. The blue is, let's see, K equals to new over old, and the old is the one that is the regular letter. So I think it's the blue one. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the old is 8. And let's see what the new is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and that does simplify to 3 over 4. K is less than 1, greater than 0. This is a reduction. Okay, so there you go. That is how you find the scale factor and classify that scale factor.